So Gahandawux and I are out having the first fire at the Brouse House. We are doing that right now, and we actually just had something. What? How many whoops was that? Like 10?
10 or less than, yeah, a little less.
Just a little less than, and it was loud, long, and it replied to my whoops. And that's over on 500 acres of hunting land.
Like almost immediately after his first whoop, it like whooped back right away.
That's a car. Okay. So yeah, no, I'm going to see if I can get this on recording tonight. This is awesome. But yeah, first fire of the Brouse House. We had some old dried pallets. We put some rocks out. It's going to be a solid night.
Use some Palo Santo.
Oh yeah, a little Palo Santos in there too.
A little offering.
Perfect. Mint. Big moving through the brush over there, not too far from us. Grab my flashlight. That was something really big. It's moving around the edge. Listen really cool. It's gonna sound like the grass is being pushed. Something big's coming through. Could be a deer, could be a whitetail. They do like to bend the tall grass up here, but I'm just not sure. Especially after what we heard earlier. Let's go sit back in our chairs and wait. Yep, it's moving through the brush right now. Let's see to do is not move right now. Just hit a tree. Light this up right now. Know what we should do? Is some night come out here with the blind, set the blind up, and just sit and observe. And if worst case it's just deer, we get some awesome nature photos.
Mm-hmm.
There's definitely something walking the outskirts. The vibe just changed out here. What do you feel?
Just feels like someone's watching us.
Yeah, that's exactly, yep. And not just JJ.
His eyes feel menacing.
This doesn't.
No.
So it's funny that we're saying that we're being watched because this area is where the original settlement was. was back into the 1790s. During that time, there were 2 raids on the settlers by the local indigenous people that were coming in trying to push them back off their land. And what they were saying is that they stalked them from the woods, and then they waited for the right opportunity to push them out. Right now, we had a psychic medium come up here, John Brickman, who said that he actually observed indigenous people walking the tribe, walking the woods. Now, when we started doing the history, we found out that the St. Lawrence Iroquoians were the ones that originally settled here, were pushed off into Canada, and then the Mohawks came in and they took over the land. So this place has been kind of tossed back and forth between different people. So we have a lot of different spirits that could be here right now, just kind of lurking on the edge.
I was wondering why I felt like okay when we were back there near the water. I felt like nice.
Yeah, it is nice back there. It's very peaceful. It's almost like a sacred feeling. It's just therapeutic in a way.
I definitely felt welcome.
Yeah. But at night, you never know. Well, I mean, you could be dealing with a totally different spirit in the day, and at night, when's the best time to push somebody out? It's at nighttime. That's just push them right out then. It's the element of surprise. It's weird that we're hearing something